Hi everyone, I'm Bella, a software engineer here at Speechmatics, and today I will show you how projects work. So projects are basically containers where you can keep your API keys, your transcription results, or even your voice agent configs separate. So you can split things into environments, client, or even team. Every account starts with a default project, and then from there you can create as many projects as you want to help you stay organized. They also make it really easy to track usage per project, which is really handy for reporting or billing. So let's jump into it. So as you can see on the top left in the nav, we have this new drop down and we've got default projects. And when you click on that, you can see I've already created another project. So I'm going to show the difference between the two. And then you've got a button here to create a project and a button to manage projects. And we'll come back onto that in a minute. So yeah, as you can see, I'm on my default project and I've already created some jobs just to show you some differences. So here I've got a list of jobs. I've got a lot of jobs I've created. And then just to show you the switch between the projects, I want to see what's in my staging project. I can click here and I can see it's a whole new list of jobs. Similar for agents, I've created a couple of agents before. So in the staging environment or staging project, I should say, we have a starter agent. And then if I swap to my default to see what I've created in default, I have a long list of agents created. So that's how you can swap between the projects to see what you have, and you can see that they are kept separate. So if I also want to create an API key, I can come to this button and you can see we've now got this new sort of navigation up here and we have settings. This is the new settings tab, so I can also click here and we have this sort of sub menu down here. And API keys, I've got one for default project in here. And then again, if I swap to staging, I can see that changes. So I've got a separate keys for both projects. Now, if I wanted to create a new project, I click here and I can say, let's just say test project for now and create that. And it will automatically swap me to that project. As you can see, I need to create a new API key. And if I go back to the portal, I should have no jobs being shown as well. So it's a fresh project. Now, I can create as I need to. And if I want to sort of manage my projects, I can come to here and I can see there's a list of projects here now. And I want to see the settings for, let's say, staging. So we've got the staging and the project ID. And again, like I said, you can go to the API keys for that as well. So we go back to projects and then I'm like, I don't really want the test project anymore. I can delete it as well just by typing delete. And we'll just get rid of that for now. And then I've got a couple of archived projects or deleted projects from previous. Now then I can come to usage. And this is the usage tab where we can see all the sort of, all our projects. So as you can see, it defaults of all projects. And I can see this, and they've got a list of months here. And then I'm like, I want to see what's on the default project. Specifically, this will update and this will show me all of here. And then I'm going to say I want to check May. And then I want to say, I wonder if anything is in staging. So that will update staging. And I'll say no usage in this month. So I just have to select another month. So I had a little usage this month. So it will show me that. And then the same, I shouldn't have anything for test because we just created it. I didn't do anything in it. So it should say there's no usage yet. So it should update you on that as well. Okay. And yeah, I hope you follow along for more. Thanks very much.